Good morning, students. Now, starting with your GK class, as I told you, we will be completing the subtopics of topic My India. So, up till now, we have completed awards and My Maharashtra. So, next subtopic is our constitution and economy, that is page number 27. So, moving to page number 27, the heading is our constitution and economy. Now, about Indian Constitution, everybody must have heard it, learned it in subject social studies, that is, sub-subject is civics. So, these are the information related to our Constitution, and every student should have minimum this knowledge about our Constitution. Now, first is who was elected as the President of the Constituent Assembly? Answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Second, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? So, as you know, that is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Third one, in which year did the Constitution of India came into force? So, here it is answer is 1950. Which is the only state in India to have its own constitution? So, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Fifth one, how many broad categories of fundamental rights are there in our constitution? So that is 6. In which month was the Constitution of India adopted? That is on 26th November 1949 and effective on 28th January 1950. Seventh one, what is the minimum age for citizens to cast vote at the elections to the Lok Sabha and State Assembly? So minimum age is 18 years. Now, how many fundamental duties of citizen are incorporated in Article 51A, Part 4A of the Constitution? So that is 11. Ninth one, according to the Constitution, if President of India wishes to resign, to whom should he address his resignation letter? So that is the Vice President. 10th one, Article 17 of the Constitution of India was adopted with the slogan Mahatma Gandhi Ki Jai. How does it deal with? So that is untouchability. So these are some questions related to our constitution. Now it's quiz time. Here are few economic definitions. Give the correct word. First one, an excessive rise in the general level of prices, that is inflation. Second, a tax paid to the central government on personal income, so that is income tax. Third, a forecast by a government of its expenditures and revenues for a specific period of time, so that is budget. Fourth one, a distinctive sign used by an individual or business organization to identify and distinguish its products and services, so that is trademark. Fifth one, a small card containing identification proof as a signature or picture authorizing the card holder to charge goods or services to an account for which billing is done periodically. So that card name is credit card. So this completes your subtopic, our constitution and economy. Last quiz time was related to the economics subject of social studies. Now, the next topic is Northeast India, so that is page number 36. Now, Northeast India, as you knew, there are many states such as Sikkim, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Assam. So, these are some of the places, and you have to identify and write the names in the space given below. So, here it is Enchi Monastery, whose large prayer hall has a number of murals and images presenting the entire pantheon of Mahayana Buddhist deities. So that is in Gangtok, Sikkim. Second, it was the first capital of Sikkim, established in 1642 AD by the first Chogyal of Sikkim. So that is Yuksom. Third one, the famous museum in Arunachal Pradesh, which offers a comprehensive look at the arts and the crafts of all tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. So that is Jawaharlal Nehru Museum. As you can see here, it is a Sangai, bro antlered here. Deer belongs to Manipur. Fifth, a Kamkhya temple, which is one of the India's most important pilgrimage destination. So that is in Assam. This is the dance, as you know, complex leg movements and simple hand movements. These are the characteristics of Naga dance. So this belongs to Naga dance. Now, another subtopic, so that is East India, page number 37. Again, you have to identify these pictures. So, this temple in Ranchi is located on the Tata Road near Bondu, which serve as one of the highlights of the city in Jharkhand. This is Sun Temple. Second, the capital city, which was founded by Job Karnak, is now a famous commercial center. So that is Kolkata. Third, the Buddhist university in Bihar, founded in 5th century, which was one of the prestigious center of learning. So this is Nalanda. Fourth one, the famous second largest dam on Mahanadi river in Orissa. So that is Hirakud Dam. And this picture, as you see, it is by the British. It is used to exile prisoners during the struggle for Indians independence. This is cellular jail. This is also placed in East India. So, Sun River is the largest rivers of India. It rivers forms borderline between Bhojpuri and Maghai speaking regions of Dash. So that is Bihar. So as you can say here in the big box, East India consists of states of Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, and also the Union Territory, Andaman and Nicobar. So these are the 6 questions related to the East India states. So the bulk of the region lies on the east coast of India by the Bay of Bengal and the Indo-Gangetic Plain. West Bengal's capital is the largest city of this region. So these are the some of the information related to Northeast India, East India, and also Constitution of India. So write today itself, open your book and do this worksheets, GK sheets. Right? Thank you. We will again see in the next week.